The TORIENT command is very useful when trying to orient any text in any direction. Well, you're the one in control of the direction, so it makes it very useful in that sense. So here I have this text. This is some text, and what I want to do is to basically align it along this diagonal line right here. So rotating it is one option. However, what you can do is type in the command line TORIENT, select the object, hit enter, and then select this line here. And as you can see, this text now is rotated exactly to match this line. And then what we can do is just come here and put it here, and it perfectly aligns with this line. Another option is when you have something like this, and what you can do is also select multiple texts at the same time. So with TORIENT, we can select all the text, choose any direction, and as you can see, all the annotations are now rotated according to what I just drew. So this is how you use the TORIENT command.